What's up, everybody? This is your old buddy, the Jackhammer, 2711. Coming at you with a quick haul video. Been able to pick up a few goodies here and there. Some of them from online retailers. Most of them from some brick and mortar stores. So just gonna be a quick video. Just kind of I'm not really a big, hey, let me show off my stuff kind of guy, but you know, just kind of let some of you guys out there see what's hitting stores and what I've been able to find. Of course, all these things that I'm showing you, eventually we'll have reviews posted on my channel, so stay tuned to those. But first off, from some sellers on eBay, and I apologize I don't have the seller information in front of me, but only thing you need to know really about these guys is I got them off of eBay. First thing I picked up here recently was the San Diego Comic-Con DC Universe Classics / Signature Series Bound Doomsday from Mattel. This was, of course, a San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. He originally sold at San Diego Comic-Con and on the website for $35. I was able to pick him up for just about that price. I actually paid about $38.94, something crazy like that, you know, with the way bidding works on eBay sometimes. But I have opened it up. You know, this is not just a box. He's in the box. I promise he is. And there will be a review coming up from him very, very soon. Really excited to get this figure, particularly because of the announcement that Mattel just made. They are going to be releasing the Doomsday Unleashed version as the big final send-off for Four Horsemen styled DC Universe figures on MattyCollector.com. But really excited to get this guy. And of course, he was available first at San Diego Comic-Con and then on MattyCollector.com after San Diego Comic-Con this year. But anyway, really cool. Really excited to have picked that up. Kind of sticking with that theme, also from eBay, and also for about $32, I was able to pick up this. This is, of course, the San Diego Comic-Con Hordak, also by Mattel. Was available initially at San Diego Comic-Con, and then, of course, afterward on MattyCollector.com. He was originally a $30 figure. So like I said, I got him about 32 bucks. So not too bad. I was able to bid on him and get him for a really, really reasonable price. Shipping was also very, very reasonable for this seller. And I apologize if I think about it in the aftermath. I will post the seller names in the description. That way you guys can kind of go online to their eBay stores and check them out. But anyway, this is the San Diego Comic-Con Masters of the Universe Classics Hordak. Of course, really, really cool in memory of Lou Scheimer, which was the big producer of the Masters of the Universe Classics animated series back in the day. Hadn't been opened yet. Still in the packaging. But I absolutely love that shout out in memory of Lou Scheimer. That's absolutely fantastic. That was really, really cool of Mattel to do that. But anyway, got those two guys online from eBay. Next thing I'll show you guys is, and I'm so pumped about this, is this guy. What the heck is that, you might be saying? Well, as I adjust my shot here, this is the NECA Godzilla action figure. This big guy here features authentic roar sounds, so that's super, super cool. I'm so excited to have this. Just kind of getting up there. Apologize for the lamps. Lamps might be washing out some of this, but man, oh man, I can't wait to get this guy opened up and do a review on him. Show you some of that detail just of him in the packaging there. I got him on a recent trip to Houston. Went to a comic book shop called Third Planet Comics and Sci-Fi there in Houston. It's an awesome, awesome, awesome place. If you're a nerd, it's like Nerds R Us. They have so many comics, toys, I was overwhelmed while I was there. There was so much cool stuff. This is the only thing I walked out with because it's the only thing I saw that I was just like instantly knew I had to have. There was just so much stuff though. It was so overwhelming. I'm gonna try to put a link to their website down in the description at the bottom of the video when it's over. But as you can see, I got him for $64.99. Really cool. Really happy to have him. But that is the NECA giant size Godzilla. Just kind of, once again, this is going to be reviewed. Absolutely. Stands over 12 inches tall. Head to tail spans over 24 inches in length. Authentic roar sound. Can't wait to get him opened up and do a review for you guys. NECA Godzilla. Really awesome. Also able to pick up today this guy. This is, of course, the Marvel Legends Walgreens exclusive Marvel Legends Infinite Series Agent Venom. Walgreens exclusive. These are hitting Walgreens. I hit about 3 or 4 Walgreens today, and I found him at every single one. So if you want this guy, keep your eye out for him. He is out there. He is available. $19.99 at your local Walgreens. He looks really, really cool. I can't wait to review him as well. But anyway, Marvel Legends Infinite Series Agent Venom. Really pumped to find that. Also at Walgreens, I was kind of shocked and surprised to find these today. I was able to locate this. This, of course, Star Wars The Black Series, Darth Vader. So excited. I was kind of shocked to see these. Apparently they're hitting Walgreens. I found him at several Walgreens today. $19.99 as well. Really, really nice. So, these guys are hitting. They are hitting your local Walgreens right now as we speak, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, he's such a cool looking figure. Such a cool looking action figure. In addition to Vader here, I also found a Chewbacca, as well as Jedi Luke Skywalker. And I actually picked up 2 Jedi Lukes. Mostly just for trade fodder, but also he looks so cool. And of course, all these figures will have reviews coming on my channel as soon as humanly possible, because I'm really, really excited about these. Other figures you saw, excited about those too. But these guys right here, man, these are the main event. I'm so pumped and so excited that I found these today. Black Series. I mean, look at Chewie's face. Just look at his face. Look at that sculpt. Gosh, this is just fantastic. Get a closer look at Luke there in the likeness. Can't really. Lamps are kind of washing out a lot of the detail. So hopefully whenever I do the review on these guys, it's not so bad, but a lot of detail in there. Of course, you see the swappable, removable breast piece here. So if you want to have your Luke well groomed or kind of sloppy, you can have whatever you want from him. This Vader this Vader looks awesome. Can't wait to get these guys out of their packaging. They're just too awesome. But Anyway, guys, that's my little haul. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. Always open to suggestion, constructive criticism. Don't be an internet tough guy, because I'm crazy. I will track you down and find you. Probably not, but don't be a jerk. Anyway, it's my little goodie haul report for you there, peeps. And I will catch you on the flip side.